This is the super cool light up Black Shark Goblin X8 wireless gaming headset with a hidden microphone, Bluetooth 2.4G or auxiliary wired connectivity, and amazing sound quality. I was sent these to review, so let me show you a closer look because they are amazing. Gorgeous! You've got the branding up here on the really nicely padded head strap. Wow. Really nicely padded here on the ears as well. Here is where it adjusts down. Ooh, I can make them smaller. These are so comfy and cute. You've got a ton of controls on both sides. When you first get your headset, don't freak out that some things are missing. They're not missing, they're just hidden. Where's the microphone, huh? It's right here. It just flips down. That is so cool. Love that. Not just hidden, but safe and secure, not gonna get broken off by accident when you're traveling. The other hidden part is your wireless transmitter. That's right here. It's securely attached in there with magnets. So you just pull it out, pop it back in when you don't need it. But this little guy here, this guy pops out. Then you can use the regular USB or USB-C to connect this to a laptop, a computer, whichever you need to stick in there. USB-C to USB-A charging cord included. Here is your charging port. You also have an auxiliary to USB-C cord in case you want to have it wired. The USB-C in here. Plug this in my computer. The sound quality is amazing. Amazing. Perfect. And it really muffles outside noises. Like, it's just amazing. For connectivity, there are 3 options. You can do wireless 2.4 hertz. You can do Bluetooth, and you can do wired with the included auxiliary cable. All the button functions are included in the manual. You could do everything, answer calls, you name it. There's a volume wheel, a mic mute button, and then here you can play around with the lighting effects. If you're gonna be using it wirelessly, you gotta charge it up, so that's easy with the included USB-C to USB charging cord. No wall plug included, just plug it into your computer or charging station. There's your charging indication. We're gonna power it on. Okay, we gotta test out this microphone. So first we're gonna bring it down. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is the headset microphone. Boop, boop, boop. And now this is back to my iPhone 14 Pro microphone. And then we're going back to the microphone on the headset. So let's find out which one is better. It does show left and right here in case you're confused, but basically the front is smooth, it just has the microphone in there, and the back has all your buttons. Just double click to turn the lights on or off, depending if you want them on. I love the lights, and then check out the mic. That's lit up too. From the front, it's not like an obnoxious light. It's just, you can just barely see them. But on the side, gorgeous. I'm really impressed with the latency. It's almost perfect. I've had some wireless headphones where I really couldn't do editing because the sound and the voice on the video didn't match up like exactly. But this is so nearly perfect that you totally can. Really, really impressed. As for gaming, I'm not a gamer, but for just listening to music, streaming TV, editing videos, etc., these are amazing. I love them, and I know you will too.